Hey there, Python enthusiasts! Welcome back to the 100 Days of Python series. Today is day 19, and we're diving into the fascinating world of decorators and function annotations. In this video, we'll cover understanding decorators and their applications, creating custom decorators, and adding type annotations to functions. Ready to enhance your Python skills? Let's get started. Let's start with decorators. Decorators are a powerful tool in Python that allows you to modify the behavior of functions or classes. A decorator is a function that takes another function and extends its behavior without explicitly modifying it. Here's a simple example. In this example, the @my_decorator syntax is used to apply my_decorator to say_hello. When say_hello is called, the wrapper function is executed, adding additional behavior before and after the original function call. Now, let's create our own custom decorators. This will help you understand how decorators can be tailored to fit your needs. Here's an example of a custom decorator that logs the execution time of a function. In this example, the timer_decorator calculates the execution time of the compute_square function. The args and quargs allow the wrapper to accept any arguments passed to the decorated function. Finally, let's talk about function annotations. Type annotations in Python provide a way to indicate the expected data types of function arguments and return values, making your code more readable and easier to debug. Here's how you can add type annotations to a function. In this example, name_str indicates that the name parameter should be a string, and -str indicates that the function returns a string. Let's see another example with multiple parameters and different return types. Type annotations help you and others understand the expected input and output of your functions, making your code more maintainable. And there you have it, folks, an in-depth look at decorators and function annotations in Python. You've learned the basics of decorators, how to create custom decorators, and how to add type annotations to functions. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and ring that bell for more awesome Python content. See you tomorrow for day 20. Keep coding.